What did you eat today? What did you eat? Anong kinain mo kanina? Oo, anong kinain mo? Anong binigay ni teacher?
Because in the boys would
Hindi, ano yung binigay ni teacher sa'yo kanina?
that was the money for
Hindi, si teacher doon, di ba nagpunta tayo doon kay teacher? Ano yung binigay ni teacher sa'yo?
Jollibee.
Jollibee!
Biscuits,
Bakit hindi mo ako binigyan?
coins, and the cupcakes, and food, and
What else?
12 pounds,
Ano pang binigay ni teacher?
and beach, and
Ano yung kinain mong Jollibee? Rice at saka?
taka, chicken, and what's and
What else?
what else?
Chicken and
Chicken and toast
sauce.
sauce,
It's gravy.
gravy,
Oops! Gravy.
gravy.
And what else?
Palan mo.
Anong pangalan mo?
Ayeng.
Ayeng? Ganda-ganda naman ng
Fresh
pangalan.
to me.
Ha? Ang ganda-ganda naman ng pangalan mo. Ang ganda-ganda naman. Ilang taong gulang ka na? How old are you? How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
I'm baby Ayeng.
Yes, I know you are babying. How old are you?
Baby Lee.
Hindi si Baby Lee. How old are you nga? 5
Five
years
years
old.
old.
5 years old.
5 years old. Palan mo.
Ang pangalan mo?
Patayel.
Ako po?
Away, Tyrell, B. Patayel.
Galing na, ne?
Palan mo with a machaw. Majawan for school.
Pakita mo nga yung tit mo.
Chess and the secret.
Pakita mo. Ni.
Mm.